Let's try to relate Bernoulli's principle in our lives, in our daily lives, by trying example 1. Example 1, if your mouth is here and you blow more air above the paper, okay, the upper region of the paper, airflow is above the paper, so you are actually creating a very low pressure at upper region and high pressure at higher region. Okay, let's highlight this point to help us to see what it means. Okay, so we have upper region less pressure, lower region more pressure. Pressure is related to forces. Okay, because pressure is force over area. So if there's a difference of pressure, definitely there's a difference of force, because the area seems not changing. If there's a difference of force, means there's a bottom part force greater than the upper part force. Okay, so because of this, the paper actually flip up in some ways that you could do it with your own experiment at home or in science lab. Okay.